Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know if your fish oil is rancid. First, let's understand why this matters. Consuming rancid fish oil can be detrimental to your well-being, so it's important to be able to identify it. We'll cover a few straightforward methods to help you determine the freshness of your supplement, ensuring you get the most benefit from it. The most common indicator of rancidity is the smell. Fresh fish oil should have a very mild, almost neutral scent, perhaps a hint of the ocean. If you open the bottle and are hit with a strong, pungent, or overly fishy odor, that's a major red flag. Think of the smell of old, spoiled fish. That's what you're trying to avoid. If the smell test isn't conclusive, a very small taste can provide further evidence. Fresh fish oil should be relatively tasteless or have a very subtle, clean flavor. However, if you taste something bitter, stale, or even a burning sensation, it's highly likely the oil is rancid. Spit it out immediately if you experience any unpleasant taste. Beyond smell and taste, always check the expiration date on your product. While not a direct indicator of rancidity, it's a good starting point. Also, observe the oil's appearance. Any significant change in color, cloudiness, or unusual thickness could suggest spoilage. Proper storage, like keeping it in a cool, dark place, is crucial for maintaining its freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.